Hello Hoopers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate, also known as Hooper Kate on literally everything. This is the start of a new series where I'm going to go over combos that you can do that incorporate one type of move. So what I mean by that is there are a lot of variations for different foundational moves in hooping. So I'm going to show you different ways to connect each move. I'm gonna go over different types of smears and we're gonna turn them into a short little combo. So the combo is gonna look something like this. So before we get into it, if you are not already subscribed to the channel and you are looking to expand your flow, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, like this video, leave a comment, share with a friend. It just helps us grow the community even bigger together. All right, so let's get into it. So the first part of this move is going to be a two-handed smear. So it's gonna look something like this. All you're gonna do is just have the hoop around your body and you're gonna lift it up so that the hoop is hitting your back right behind you. You're gonna have your hands on the same position, so just grab the hoop wherever feels most comfortable to you, and you're gonna keep this grip on the hoop at all times. All you're going to do is just bring the hoop down and around, and the purpose of this move is to always maintain contact with the hoop at all times. So the hoop is gonna be rotating around your waist as you bring the hoop down and back behind you like this. So just keep an eye on my waist right here. You can see that there is always some sort of contact with the hoop. So I'm gonna come over to my dominant side. I'm just gonna bring my hand down to my waist down here. Then I'm going to swing the hoop so that it is now in front of me. Bring it over to the side. I'm gonna lift up my dominant arm and then I'm just gonna bring it back into the starting position just like this. So once you get this part of the move down, we're going to go into a smear that looks something like this. So we're here. As you complete the move and as the hoop is coming back down like this, you're going to release your grip on your opposite hand and you're going to bring your elbow up in front of you like this. So we're here and you're just gonna release and be right here. You're gonna place the hoop on your elbow like this. You're gonna push the hoop down and across your body. You can see that the hoop is starting to lift up behind me. That's when you're gonna take your dominant hand and you're gonna sneak your elbow inside here. You're gonna take it from behind and bring the hoop all the way up so you're passing the hoop with your elbow. And then once you're to the front again, take your opposite elbow, bring them up like this, and you're gonna repeat the move. So you're going to pass the hoop behind you, push it behind as the hoop sneaks back up on your dominant side, sneak your elbow back in, pass it back to your opposite elbow, and complete the move. So it's going to look something like this. You're not gonna be gripping the hoop at any time during this portion of the move, but you can kind of use your hands to just lightly graze and guide the hoop behind you as you push it back from your opposite side. So we're here and we're here. So again, we went from the smear when we had two hands on the hoop, and then once the hoop is coming down here again to your opposite side, you just place the hoop on your elbow. You're gonna push it back behind you, catch it with your dominant hand as it comes back up, and then pass the hoop back over to your opposite side. So it's gonna look something like this. Now what we're going to do is go into a one-handed smear. So we're in this position right here. As the hoop is coming back up, you're going to grab it with your dominant hand. You're gonna lift it up and over your body and bring your hand over to your dominant side. You're gonna take the hoop and you're gonna go into a horizontal plane like this. You're gonna flatten out the hoop and you're just going to swing the hoop over to your opposite side so that it hits your opposite hip. So we were here. As it comes up, you're going to just lift the hoop up and over your body, bring it out to the side, and then swing across. As the hoop is approaching your opposite side, again, you're gonna be maintaining contact with your hip here. You're just going to bring your hand all the way up like this, and you're gonna bring your opposite hand in close to your body. You don't wanna have your hand out like this because then it's gonna get stuck. You wanna make sure that you're creating like a pull so that the hoop can swirl all the way around your body. So once we're in this position, we're going to use the momentum of that swing as you bring your hand all the way up, and you're going to push the hoop forward, and the swing is going to continue. As you're doing this, you're going to keep your fingers nice and straight up so that the hoop can twirl around the palm of your hand. And then as the hoop is going all the way around, it's gonna go around your waist twice. And then if you want to start the move over again, as the hoop is going in the starting position right here, you're gonna swing the hoop all the way down again, across your body, bring it up and push forward. When you're pushing the hoop forward, as your hand is above your head, you're gonna be pushing with your pinky leading like this. So it's kind of like you're twisting your hand, like screwing in a light bulb, and you're gonna be twisting with your pinky leading like this. So right here, twist, release, and catch. Again, over to the side, swing it over, release, and catch. And then to just go into that backpack move, instead of catching the hoop here, as the hoop is swinging around, you're just going to reach your hand inside of the hoop, and you're gonna place it on your back just like this. So let me just show you from behind. We're doing the smear, reach up, trap the hoop, and then you just place it on your back like a backpack like this. So let's go over that one more time. You're gonna place the hoop on your back just like this. You're gonna have both hands on opposite sides, just gripping wherever it feels natural. You're going to smear the hoop for a two-handed smear. Again, always making contact with your waist. As the hoop comes all the way around, your grip is maintaining in the same position for the entirety of this portion of the move. Just gonna bring it all the way down. And then as the hoop is coming back down for that initial smear, you're just going to release your grip, place your elbow inside of the hoop. You're gonna push it behind you. As the hoop comes back up behind you, you're going to take your dominant hand and you're gonna bring your elbow from behind all the way back up. Bring it to the front, pass it over to your opposite elbow. Again, you're going to complete that move, push the hoop all the way behind. As it comes back up, catch with your dominant elbow and then pass it to your opposite. Once the hoop is coming back up in this position, so as the hoop is coming back up for that initial pass in the front, you're gonna take out your opposite hand, grab the hoop with your dominant hand, swing it out to the side, and you're gonna be in this horizontal plane, so it's gonna be nice and flat. You're gonna take the hoop and swing it all the way across your body, bringing in your opposite arm to kind of create an axis to spin around, and you're going to bring the hoop across and up. As the hoop is coming back up, you're going to use the momentum of that swing. You're gonna push the hoop forward with your pinky leading, keeping your fingers up nice and straight, so that it can use your hand as an axis to spin around. And then once you grab the hoop, again, above your head, you're just gonna repeat that portion of the move. You're gonna swing it out, horizontal plane, swing it across, and bring it up and over your body, letting it spin around your hand. And then to complete the move for the backpack, you're just going to sneak your hand inside, reach your opposite hand up, and then you're gonna place it on your back like a backpack, just like this. So right here and here. So the move in its entirety is gonna look like this. All right, Hoopers, so that is a combo incorporating 3 different types of smears. So if you need any part of the move broken down a little bit more, or you're having trouble transitioning from different types of smears, be sure to leave a comment down below. More than happy to help you out. Again, there are a lot of different variations for very foundational moves, and this is just a way that you can focus on one move and connect different variations of that move. So if you like this video and you want to see more, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Again, like this video, leave a comment, share with a friend so that we can grow the community even bigger together. All right, Hoopers, I will see you in the next one. Happy hooping.